today's video, I'm going to show you how to use a very simple strategy, and this strategy is specifically for beginners. I'm going to show you how to use this formula to make money with CPA marketing. So the main formula I use is giving value and then you make money in return. So I'm going to show you how to do this in this video. And if you're new to the channel, I make videos about how to earn money online. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You would definitely find other interesting videos. And also make sure to check out the first link in the description. It's going to bring you to this page where you can get started and start making passive income with CPA marketing. So moving on to today's video, you can use any CPA network of your choice. You can use Cpagrip.com. You can use Cpalead.com as well. I'm going to show you how to use Cpalead in this video. So all you need to do if you don't have an account is to come over to Cpalead.com and you want to click on the sign up button. So once you do that, all you need to do is to enter your details right here and you are going to get your account right away. So one of the major advantages of using Cpalead is that, as you can see right here, Cpalead provide daily payments to all its publishers. All right. So once you create your account, your dashboard is going to look like this. And all you need to do is to come over to this section that says search and you want to type in Rocket Money. So once you type in Rocket Money in the search section, it's going to show you this offer right here. As you can see, this is an email submit offer. As you can see the description of this offer right here, 80% of people save money by using Rocket Money to find and cancel unwanted subscriptions. So there are a lot of people who spend money on subscriptions they don't need. So for those who don't know what Rocket Money is, as you can see here, Rocket Money helps people to save money and it also helps them to spend less money as well. So now, like I said in the beginning of the video, you want to give people value and in return you earn money. So what you're going to do from here is very simple. You want to make a very simple video that looks like this. So I'm going to show you a very simple video I made giving people value and in return asking them to click on the offer so that I make money as well. So I'm going to preview the video. All right, so as you can see, this is a very simple video. It took me less than 3 minutes to create this video, and I'm going to show you how to create this type of simple videos as well. So the next thing you want to do is to go over to Google and you want to type in 100 tips to save money. As you can see right here, these are 100 tips from this platform that you can use to give people value in your videos. Okay, so you can see right here, I only mentioned 5 tips in this video, as you can see right here. So using these tips from this platform, you can get 100 tips that you can use to provide value to people, and in return, they complete your CPA offer. Okay, so all you need to do is to click on the website, and once you click on this, these are over 100 tips that all you need to do is to just copy these tips and you want to make a video telling people how they can save money. So once you do that, you want to go over to pexels.com and you want to type in money. Okay, you can see right here, this is the video I used in making that example I showed you. You can see this is the second example I used as well. So you don't have to pay for any services to get free videos to use. As you can see, over 1,000 videos are available to use from pexels.com. So once you've gathered the video you want to use, then you want to come back to canva.com to create your own video. And once you do that, all you need to do is to go over to the video section and you are going to see where it says TikTok video. So I'm going to show you how to promote this video on TikTok. You can see almost 20% of the traffic that goes to TikTok is from United States alone. And this offer wants conversion from United States, as you can see right here. All people need to do is to submit their email and download this app. And once they do that, you make money. So once you click on the TikTok video template, as you can see right here, there are so many templates that you can use to create your videos on TikTok. You can see this is the example template I used to create this video. So if I click on this, you can see this is the style I used to create this video. So all you need to do is to click on any of these templates and you'll be able to create your videos in less than 5 minutes. You can create from scratch if you want to do that, but I like using templates because it makes the process a lot faster. So once you've created your video, you want to come over to pixabay.com to get free music that you can use for your video. So once you come over here, all you need to do is to click on music. So if you click on music, you can see there are a lot of music from pixabay.com. You can preview the music. Anyone you like, all you need to do is to download the music, and you want to import the music to Canva right here. So once you import the music, all you need to do is to download this video. And once you download the video, all you need to do is to go over to tiktok.com. All right. So once you go over to TikTok, if you type in how to save more money, you're going to see videos are getting millions of views. You can see this one over 14 million views. If I go to this one, you can see this one over 2 million views. All right. So you can see people are making a lot of videos about how to save money right here. All you need to do is to create a TikTok account, and you want to click on the upload section. So once you do that, all you need to do is to upload the video to TikTok. So as you can see, this video has uploaded to TikTok without any problem. And for those who don't have up to 1,000 followers on TikTok, you can just add the link in your video. Okay, so all you need to do is to come back here, and you want to make sure to add the link. And to add the link, all you need to do is to come back to your Cpalead account. You want to copy the affiliate link, and you want to make sure to shorten the link using any URL shortener of your choice. Okay, so once you shorten the link, it's going to look like this. All you need to do is to copy this link, and you want to paste in the link in your video. Okay, this is for those who don't have up to 1,000 followers on TikTok. Okay, however, you don't have to use TikTok alone. I recommend you use Instagram Reels as well, as you don't need to have up to 1,000 followers to add a link in your Instagram account. Okay, all right. So once you come over to your Instagram account, you want to click on where it says create, and all you need to do is to upload this same video on Instagram as well. Okay, as you can see right here. So you want to make sure, if you're uploading it from your desktop, so you want to make sure to set it to 9:16. Okay, so once you set it like this, as you can see right here, people would see this click link in bio to start saving money today. Okay, so once people do this, you want to make sure, obviously, to go to your bio, and you want to make sure to have included the link in your bio right here. All right, like I said, you want to shorten the link and add it to your bio. Okay, and also you can use Facebook Reels as well. All you need to do is to log in to your Facebook account, and you'll be able to create a Facebook Reel as well. So these are 3 free traffic sources that you can use to make money with this strategy. So you want to create as many videos as possible to promote this offer, and I can assure you, if you stay consistent and put in the work, you will definitely make money, as this is a very simple strategy. So that brings us to the end of today's video, and if you find any value, please drop a like on the video, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.